Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some key points that are very important in ESIC, AIMS and other type of nursing and paramedical exams. So it's a part second. There are 50 key points for these are very important for exams. So let's see. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos. For the new notification, please press the bell icon for new update videos. So let's see. First one we see the SA node is the pacemaker of the heart. This question is always will be asked in many type of exams. So please remember that one thing. SA node is the pacemaker of the heart. Next is the average blood loss in normal menstrual cycle is 50 to 100 ml. In an average, in one menstrual cycle, 500 to 100 ml will be lost in normal menstrual cycle. Next one is universal donor belongs to O negative blood group. Universal donor belongs to the O negative blood group. Next is Bartholin gland is present in the vagina. Bartholin glands present in the vagina. Next is hemoptysis in adult occur at the red bone marrow. Hemoptysis is the process that occurs in adult in red bone marrow, and in infant and children it occurs in spleen and in liver. In infancy and children it continuing in the spleen and in liver. Next one is diaphragm is the main muscle of inspiration. Diaphragm is the main muscle that is used for the inspiration. Next is thyroid is effective only in the presence of iodine. Thyroid is effective in the presence of iodine. Next is the normal intraocular pressure IOP is 8 to 21 mm of Hg. It's a normal IOP intraocular pressure 8 to 21 mm of Hg. Next is hormones, or what is the hormones? So hormones are the chemical substance or messenger that are produced in the one part of the body that regulate the activities of certain organs or group of cells in other part of the body. So it's known as the hormone. Next is in thrombocytopenia reduced the platelet count. Reduced platelet count in the thrombocytopenia. Next is hair color in human turn white due to absence of melanin. When the melanin is absent on the time of human turn white, hair color in human turn white due to the absence of melanin. Next is cholecystokinin is the hormone that stimulates the release of bile into duodenum. Cholecystokinin hormone that help the stimulating of release of bile into the duodenum. Next is vagus nerve is the cranial nerve that has the highest number of branches. Vagus nerve, it's a cranial nerve and it's a highest number of branches. Next is vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve, trigeminal is the largest cranial nerve, and trochlear is the smallest cranial nerve. Please remember that one thing. Vagus nerve is longest, trigeminal is largest, and trochlear is the smallest cranial nerve. Next one is a decreased bone density is called the osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means decreased the bone density. Next is bilirubin is a base product of the breakdown of erythrocyte, or what is the bilirubin? So bilirubin is a base product of the breakdown of erythrocytes. Next is gastric juice contains the HCl or hydrochloric acid. In gastric juice HCl is present. Next is diabetes insipidus is related to deficiency of vasopressin. Diabetes insipidus is related to the deficiency of vasopressin. Next is urinary bladder is lined by the transitional epithelium. Urinary bladder lined by the transitional epithelium tissue. Next is pepsin is the enzyme that is responsible for the digestion of protein. In protein digestion, pepsin enzyme help for the digestion of protein. Next one is the shape of stomach resembles to letter J. Stomach resembles the J shape of letter. Next is Hay test is used for test for bile salt. For testing of bile salt, Hay test is performed. Next is acetic acid is the reagent that is used in hot test. Acetic acid used in the as a reagent that is used in the hot test. Next is nephron is the excretory unit of kidney. Nephron is the excretory unit of kidney. Next one is the bile is produced through the liver. Bile production where it will be kept. So bile produced through the liver. Next is both endocrine and exocrine gland is pancreas. So pancreas act as a endocrine and exocrine gland. Next one is ligament. Ligament is a fibrous tissue that connecting bone to bone. Ligament connects the bone to bone. Next is cell is the basic unit of life. Basic unit of life is cell. Next one is the for assessing range of joint movement, the nurse will ask the patient to move away from the body. Evaluating the movement is known as abduction. Next is which vitamin is used for collagen synthesis? So answer is the vitamin C. Vitamin is used for the collagen synthesis. Next is meninges. What is the meninges? So meninges is the brain and spinal cord that is surrounded by 3 layers of tissue. It's called the meninges. And the inflammation occurs in the meninges. It's known as the meningitis. Next is largest branch of the brachial plexus is. Answer is radial nerve. Largest branch of the brachial plexus is the radial nerve. Next is the joint that is found between humerus and radius ulna is. Answer is hinge joint. Hinge joint present between the humerus and radius ulna. Next is photophobia. Photophobia means abnormal sensitivity to light. Next is the microglia. Microglia is the monocytes that migrate from the blood into the central nervous system or CNS. Next is fibrin. Fibrin is the last product in the process of blood coagulation. When the blood coagulation process starts, fibrin is the last product of the blood coagulation process. Next is heat regulating center is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls the heat regulating center. Next is active transport of substance from blood into the nephron is called tubular secretion. Next is the normal amount of cerebrospinal fluid in man is 150 ml. Normal amount of CSF in man is 150 ml. CSF rate is secreted per day 500 to 600 ml per day. Cerebrospinal fluid secreted per day is as a 500 to 600 ml per day. Next is number of C-shaped tracheal cartilage are 16 to 20 C-shaped tracheal cartilage presents. Next is in Parkinson disease, dopamine neurotransmitter is reduced in the basal ganglia. In Parkinson's disease, dopamine level should be decreased or reduced. Next is CSF is secreted by choroid plexus and absorbed by the arachnoid villi. Main function of choroid plexus is secretion of cerebrospinal fluid and it will be absorbed in the arachnoid villi. Next is carotid artery is the most commonly injured in hanging. In the hanging time, for some time of people try to suicide as a hanging. So carotid artery is most commonly injured in the hanging. Next is blood group was discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Blood group is discovered by the Karl Landsteiner. Next is 12 thoracic vertebra is present in the human being. Thoracic vertebra is 12. Next is acenoid is located in the right atrium. Next is metaplasia. Metaplasia means transformation of one type of cell into another type of cell. It's known as the metaplasia. Next is Haversian canal. Haversian canal are found in the bone. Next is mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cells. Powerhouse of the cells is mitochondria. If guys, if you want this type of questions, so please comment in the comment box. So I will try to make more and more best questions for you. Thank you for watching us.